To fix Uber Eats promo code errors, start by checking the promo code itself for any typos or incorrect formatting. Ensure the code is entered exactly as provided, with the correct combination of letters and numbers. Next, review the terms and conditions of the promo code to confirm it is still valid and has not expired. Check if the code is limited to specific restaurants, menu items, or locations, as this may be the cause of the error. If the issue persists, try restarting the Uber Eats app or accessing it through a web browser. This can sometimes resolve technical glitches that may be preventing the promo code from working. Another common cause of promo code errors is a mismatch between the promo code and the user's account. Ensure the promo code is applied to the correct account and that the account is eligible for the promotion. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Uber Eats customer support directly for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the problem and provide further guidance on how to apply the promo code successfully. When contacting customer support, provide as much detail as possible about the error, including the promo code itself, the specific error message received, and any other relevant information. This will help the support team to quickly identify the cause of the issue and provide a solution. By following these steps, users should be able to resolve most common promo code errors and successfully apply the promo code to their Uber Eats order. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the promo code and to contact customer support if needed, to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience.